Today, I will give you some idea about a cryptocurrency site that can blow your mind. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Utopia is freedom, anonymity, and censorship-free diamond product designed for secure communication, anonymous payments, and a truly free internet without borders. Total surveillance, information flow control, and official deceptions are exactly what Utopia is intended to prevent. With Utopia, you are able to bypass online censorship and firewalls, meaning that you are free to communicate with whoever you want, whenever you want. Freedom of speech is guaranteed by the Utopia ecosystem. User physical location cannot be revealed. Communication and data cannot be intercepted and read by a third party. All account data is stored on Utopia user's local device in an encrypted file. Utopia is a decentralized peer-to-peer network with no central server involved in data transmission or storage. The network is supported by people who use it and delivers high quality features and perfectly smooth user interface that offers a lot of value. Utopia says it has evolved in three key ways over the past 17 months. Though greater levels of network stability and performance, healthy levels of growth in communities from around the world, and the expanded availability of its native cryptocurrency, Krypton, on multiple exchanges. Krypton is the cryptocurrency of the future that guarantees the protection and confidentiality of financial transactions. What is noteworthy in Krypton's uniqueness, which is based on a mixture of blockchain and its own protocols in the Utopia peer-to-peer ecosystem. There, the developers are able to combine all the necessary internet tools in one place. By the way, no internet project has done this before. It includes the ability to transfer and store any data safely, as well as the complete anonymity and privacy of each user. As a result, by investing in Krypton, you contribute to the uses and popularization for private use of some tools such as uMessenger, uMail, IDL browser, uWallet, UNS mining board. Each Utopia client gets all the necessary internet tools for the modern world in one place with the internet cryptocurrency crypto. Note that it is becoming more and more popular on international cryptocurrency exchanges every day. Krypton has many similarities with Bitcoin. Neither currency used an ICO and both have a higher degree of protection based on decentralization. Krypton does not display any transaction data. It is intended for anonymous payments. Third parties don't have access to information about the identity of clients who use Kryptons for personal purposes. The entire process of conducting a transaction is linked under a cryptographic signature. The transfer itself over the network is also worked in encryption. Until now, the Utopia platform has only been available for desktop devices. However, the developers have already announced the release of a mobile version of the ecosystem. In other words, Utopia is poised to become every more accessible and popular, which means that Kryptons will significantly increase in price. So guys, take a chance and be one of the first who earn money on a developing cryptocurrency. Start investing in Krypton right now by Utopia. Thank you everyone.